Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
तो कैमरा ऑन करो, वहां बैठो, वहां बैठो।
Good evening.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So I think almost everyone has come. We will start now. So Navya also has come. So nice. Great. Okay, so in the meantime, let me take you through few things. So today is our 9th session. If you are remembering, all of you, today is our 9th session. And. So first session was based on digital device. How digital devices, they are replacing pen and paper in schools. And in the first session, it was the first one. I did not keep any prize, any list of winners. Then it comes second session, and the winner was Navya. And Navya will tell what was the topic, Navya, when you won the first prize.
So I think that was about hobbies.
Okay, so Navya won a prize when the topic was on hobbies. Why hobby is important, why we should have one hobby, why we should follow it. In details, we discussed about importance of hobbies. Now, the next one was third session when Aryan was the winner. Aryan is not there. So let me tell you the topic of third session. Third session was, what will you say if the entire world is listening? What will you say if the entire world is listening? अगर पूरी दुनिया आपको सुन रही हो तो आप क्या कहेंगे? And in that session, the winner was Aryan. Then fourth session, Bhavya, she was the winner. And the topic was, if you will get a chance to meet a celebrity of your choice, who that celebrity will be. अगर आपको किसी महान व्यक्ति से मिलने का मौका मिले तो वो कौन होगा? How will you spend the entire day with him? What all things you will discuss? It was on that. Then the next one was fifth session, and Ankit was the winner. Today Ankit also is not there, and it was based on name. What is your name? What is the meaning of your name? Why do you think that a name can change your personality, right? So we discussed about importance of name in that fifth session. And then comes the sixth one. Ishan was the winner. Ishan, tell me, what was the topic?
Sir, it was on festivals.
It was on festivals. So India is a country of festivals. Tell me about your favorite festival and how do you celebrate that festival? It was all about festival. I think Diwali and Chhat, they were either going on or it was coming very soon. So we discussed about festivals. And then seventh session, I think I announced the winner is Prisha. And I am very sorry, Prisha. I booked the prize today only. It was delay from my side. So today I have booked the prize for Prisha. She will be getting in few days. Then maybe in the next session, I will share the photo of Prisha with the prize. And then we will have also we will announce the name of winner of 8th session at the end. Okay. And finally, today we are going to have our 9th session. And we have 4 points in this, 4 questions in this, which you will answer one by one. What are your goals in life? That is number 1. How do you plan to achieve that goal? That's number 2. Why are goals important? That is number 3. And the 4th one is, which of your goals have you already achieved? आपके गोल क्या हैं? उसको पाने की क्या योजना आपने बनाई है? गोल्स महत्वपूर्ण क्यों हैं? और आपके कौन-कौन से ऐसे गोल हैं जो आपने already achieve कर लिया है? So we'll discuss about goals, aim, ambition, target, purpose, all these things. Okay. So now time to start. We have today 2, 3, 5 plus 2, 7 speakers we have. And as per the system, I'm not going to tell who is first, who is second. So I need volunteers. Who is going to be the number 1 speaker? Session number 9. Looking for the first speaker. Okay, okay. Who will build a cat? Who will break the ice? Who will be the first speaker? Let me see. Someone who is full of confidence. Number 1 speaker. Then number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5, 6, 7. So as of now, we have 8 speakers. Okay, okay, come on. Show me your confidence. Who is going to be the first speaker? Okay, so we have got our fantastic speaker, and she is Navya. Without delaying, over to Navya. Navya, it's your turn. Please go ahead.
So, good afternoon to all. This is Navya from class 4 from Dijago School of Innovation. And today I'm going to discuss on the topic that what are your goals in life. The second one was, how do you plan to achieve that goal? Third one, why are goals important? And fourth, which of your goals have you already achieved? So, about saying the first topic, which was what are your goals in life, that my goals in life are, I want to be an IAS officer, and this is my goal which I want to achieve. How the second one was, how do you plan to achieve that goal? So I have planned that I have make a routine that what I will do is that first as all days except Sunday, I just woke up and then get fresh, brush my teeth, and then go and then get dressed and go and eat my breakfast and go to school. Then lunch in that. Then I do their study, and then come to my school. Came to my home from my school, and then after coming I eat my lunch, and then after in 2 hours, means till 4 to 6 I have to make my homework, and then after that 6 to 8 2 hours I have to just read, write, or learn about anything. So this I have to do what I want, and after that I have to also help my mother, and I have achieved that means how do you plan to achieve? So this was my routine, but I have planned that I will nowadays I am coming from school when that is 2:15, and my I have shifted my house, so my house is 10 minutes. When I go to my house from school, it takes 10 minutes. Then I reached at home till as usual 3:30, matlab 2:30, sorry, 2:30. And that time what I have to do, in that time I have to manage all the things. And then after we cannot I also want to say that we cannot achieve our goal when we are only just studying and studying and studying. And I also want to say that don't depend on others goal, that what is your goal, just do preparation on that. Because sometimes happen when you want to be a doctor, any other one says that don't be a doctor, that will be not good for you, just be a policeman, that will be much better for you. So you have studied about that doctor, and then anyone is saying that you have to be police, then you can be police. Then you are just thinking on that and saying, yes, he's saying right, I have to be the police. And when you are in police, you are not at the level, you are not at that level on which police have to work. So just depend on your goals. The third one was, why are goals important? So goals are much important for us. Those are the very nice thing of passing your time. So in goals, what happens, you get happy that I am on that what I want to be, and you just earn and do these things. Then our fourth was that, which of your goals have you already achieved? So fourth one, the answer of fourth one, I have that I also want to do drawing realistically, and also I want to learn about Kathak. So I have achieved these small goals, and my big goal when I will just prepare on that, and I will just grow up very high, then only I can achieve that one goal of being IAS officer. So this was my speech for today. So I want to conclude this speech, conclude my speech.
Thank you, Navya. Navya has nicely put forward all her goals. A few of her goals are long term, which she will achieve maybe after 10 years, 15 years, when she will complete her studies. And few goals are the short one, which she wants to achieve right now. So you have a short-term goal, you have a long-term goal. The main important thing is that everything should be noted down. This is done, this is done, this is done. That's important. Then only you can chase your goals. Now we have got so many speakers who have raised their hand. The second one is going to be Nilesh. Third speaker is going to be Nityam. Fourth one is Prisha. Fifth one is Ishan. And sixth one is Kaf. Still we have two more participants. They have not raised hand. Shashi also has raised hand. So I will request everyone, now all of you, you know the rule of this session: camera on, audio off. That is the rule. We have to keep our camera on and audio off. Audio will on only when we are going to speak. Without delaying, we are discussing about goals, and we are moving to our second speaker, and he is Nilesh. Nilesh, your turn.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nilesh Kashyap. Today, I am going to tell about the question, "What is your goal?" The first question is, "What is your goal?" My first goal is to make IPS officer. IPS officer. And second question is, "How do you plan to achieve that goal?" I can achieve my goal to study more and more, to make a routine. Uh, complete my work on time in and school, uh, and complete my work on time. And then third question is, why are goals important? Goals is important for us. Without goal we can't achieve our jobs, because when we have our goal, that we can work on on that goal earlier, and after coming a time we achieve our goal very early. And we have no goal when other when anyone have no goal, that when he then they can't work on that job earlier. When time up to make some job, that time were over, that time that was studying. And fourth question is, and so our first question, my one line was,
I missed.
I forget to take.
I forgot. Okay.
To take.
No problem. No problem. Till now.
Okay. After my that after grown up, that time my goal is to make IPS officer. Now my goal is to take admission in BHU school that is in Banaras. And fourth question is, which of your goal you have already achieved? I achieved my goal to complete work complete on time. Earlier, I can't complete my work on time, and my mother is sad. I am also sad because I can't complete my work. My mother is sad, so I take a I give a promise to my mother. I will complete my work on time, and then after I can complete my work on time. This is my achieved goal. This is my small achieved goal. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh. So Nilesh also is having long-term goals and short-term goals. And also he has achieved a wonderful goal. That is, he is going to complete his homework. He is going to complete his studies on time. His mom will not tell him again and again that sit down for studies, sit down for studies. He is going to maintain his routine, and he is going to do his studies carefully. So thank you, Nilesh. You have achieved that goal, and I hope now you are going to be a very good student. Now we are moving to third N. After N for Navya and N for Nilesh, now it's N for Nityam. So Nityam, please go ahead. You are our third speaker.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Nityam of class 6. And today my discussion topic is on goals. Goals is something that we want to achieve, or our aim. Goals. Every person has different and a unique goal. For example, someone wants to be doctor, someone wants to be an engineer, someone wants to be a pilot, someone wants to be a chef, etc. But in our daily lives also, daily we challenge ourselves to achieve the goals. The first question was, what are the goals in your life? So in my life, there are many goals. But my main goal is to become a pilot. I like swimming and dancing also. I like aircraft and I like to drive it. I'm inspired by my mama for that, because I saw him driving it and operating it too much. And I have also went to cockpit one time, and I liked it too much. And I also want to operate, and I sat on that seat, so I liked it too much. So I want to become pilot. The second question was, how do you plan to achieve the goals? To plan goals, especially my goal pilot, the studies are most important, because for pilot the studies are lifestyle. Even if there is health issues also, if the pilot 1 kg weight only gains, so the company doesn't allow the pilot to operate the aircraft, because it is the rule of physical fitness. Goals are The third question was, why are goals important? Goals are important because without goals, life is useless. We can't live without goals. And if we will live, we will think that okay, whatever we will become, it's okay, and then we will do that. So goals are very important, and we should plan our goals definitely. And also in and also if we will not plan the goals, the life will be not so enjoyable. The first question was, which of the goals you already achieved? Some of the small goals are there that I have already achieved. Like one of my favorite goals, that I will do a swimming class for some time. Definitely, I told my parents many times, and my parents finally took me to the swimming classes in the St. Xavier's school, and I I did it for 2 to 3 months. I enjoyed it, and I like to do more, but the COVID-19 pandemic came, so I have to stop that. And after some time, I'm forcing again my parents to join the swimming classes. So I will again go, and this is my goal that I have achieved. And there is one more goal, that from last few weeks, I'm waking up early, and I'm going for morning walk from my place to till 1 or 2 kilometers I walk. I liked it, but I have to go early in the morning, because I have to go for the school also. So I sometimes I don't like it. So my mother force me sometimes to go, only go. There is no option there for you. So this is about my goals. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nityam. Thank you for your speech. And as I keep on requesting everyone, whenever you are planning to speak, keep your points ready. Point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that at any point of time when you are speaking, you should not think, what will I speak next? Or you should not hesitate that I'm not getting what to speak, what to say. Okay. After the brother is the turn of sister. So Prisha, please go ahead. Your turn now.
Good afternoon, all. This is Prisha from class 3rd, and today I'm going to give a speech on some topics given by Dheeraj sir, that are, what are your goals in life? How do you plan to achieve that goal? Why are goals important? Which of your goals have already achieved? So, first I'm giving the answer of the first question, that is, what are your goals in life? So, in everybody's life, there are some goals, and if there are goals in anybody's life, so it is enjoyable, and without goals, the life is not interesting. So my first goal, I have 2 goals.
and that's our option. First, I want to become a pilot, same as Nityam Bhaiya. And second, I want to become or I want to open a bakery like my mother because she also have a bakery like Prisha Creamy House. Next question, how do you plan to achieve that goal? So I have some plans to achieve my goals, and there is just one word to achieve our goals, that is studying too much. What are goals? Why are goals important? So goals are important in our life. If we will complete that goal, then we will be very happy for it, that and it will be like a reward, we can say. And also, which of your goals have already achieved? So there were my one goal that there is my one record that I was just first in my every class, LKG, UKG, and class first, I have become first. But from my class second, it came, COVID pandemic came, and my record has broken because in our school there become one rule that every children will be promoted. Thank you. This is all for today.
Thank you, Prisha. So I'm sure that both brother and sister, you both will become pilot, and then I will not have any problem in traveling. I will just call you that please take me to this place and that place, and you both will take me to that place. So I'm waiting eagerly for that moment when both of you will become the pilot. Okay, now over to our fifth speaker, and he is Ishan. Ishan, please go ahead.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Ishan from Deja Vu School of Innovation in class 6. And now I am going to tell you about the topic on goals. And there were some questions given by Dheeraj sir. So first question was, what are your goals in life? This question means, what are your aims? What do you want to be in your life? And the second question was, how do you plan to achieve that goal? This question means, what are the plannings, what are the points, what do you want to do so that you can achieve your goal? And the third one was, why are goals important? Means when you will achieve your goal, then why will you do that goal? Why don't you do another thing? And the fourth one was, which of your goals have you already achieved? This question means, which are your small goals or big goals which you have achieved in student life? It can be achieving to study more and more, or to be learning any dance form. So I'm going to tell you answer of all these questions, starting with the first question. What are your goals in life? So my goal is to become an Air Force pilot, to go in Indian Air Force, and my this goal is very grateful to our country that I am becoming a Indian Air Force pilot. And the second one was, how do you plan to achieve that goal? There were many plannings. For that, I have to achieve my goal. In my student life, there is another planning, and when I will become adult, there is another planning. In my student life, uh, my planning is to study more and more like others, and to study maths and science more and more, because in Air Force we have to fly the jets, and you should know all the parts of jets, which is in science, and the formulas of maths, so that you can do anything. And when I will become adult, there is some preparation I have to clear, NDA, SSP, and ANI. While clearing these all, then I have to go to Indian Army Center, and there they will take my eyesight test, ear test, and my all body parts test. And when I will clear those all, then they will take me to the ground, and they will do my physical training. And third was, why are goals important? Goals are important because without goal the life is useless. If you don't have a goal, then you can't do anything, you can't live happily. So every person should have a goal, or either it is small or big. And these goals should be implemented in our life and we should achieve that our goal. Fourth was, which of your goals have you already achieved? There are some points that I will tell you. First is the goals which I have already achieved in my student life is to stand in to stand in front of anyone and I can speak. This is the main thing which I have achieved in my student life. And the second one is that I am friendly with everyone. When I was small, then I was not friendly with anyone. Now I am friendly with anyone. And the second point is that imagine that I am very high in imagination. So I am doing I am making a story or a country, you can say a story or a country in my imagination, and that there will be my country, what are the rules will be in my country, and I have planned something that the name of my country is India, which will be smaller than India. And I have not achieved this goal, but in some days I will achieve this goal also. So that's all for today. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishan. It was a well-structured speech. So if everyone is noticing, first he has defined all the questions one by one, and then he has answered also one by one in detail. There was no confusion, no mess, no clutter. It was audible, it was clear, it was well planned. I want all of you to plan your speech in this manner only, right? You have to prepare and then come and speak. Do not come without preparation. Okay, so now it's time for our sixth speaker to speak. Kaf, now you can start.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, start please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mohammad Kaif of class 6 from BP Indraprastha International School. I am very grateful to sir to given me opportunity to speak here as a speaker. Sir has asked two questions. That is, what are your goals in life? How do you plan to achieve that goal? Why are goals so important? Which of your goals have you already achieved? The answer of the first question is, my goal is to become cricketer like my idol. And the answer of the second question, the answer of the second question is, for becoming a cricketer, I have to go to a cricket club. That's how I plan to achieve that goal. And the answer of the third one is, goals are so important because it gives you focus, provides motivation, and if we set a goal in our life, then really believe me, we will achieve our goal. The answer of the last question, the fourth one, is, for becoming a cricketer, I have to go to a cricket club. So only one goal I have achieved. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Kaf. And I'm also sure that the way you are practicing, you will achieve your dream of becoming a great cricketer. Now we are moving to our next speaker, and she is Shreyasi, and she is participating for the first time in this session. So, Shreyasi, you are most welcome. Please go ahead and present your point of view. Oh, at the right moment she has left. Maybe some problem with the net. Okay. So anyone else who is willing to put more points? I think Shreyasi will join back. In the meantime, anyone who is having points? Okay, Prisha, please.
So yes, one of my goal also I have already achieved. Like we can't say it a goal, it's my dream to have a pet, and that I have achieved on my 9th birthday.
Okay, and what's the name of that pet?
Jojo.
Jojo, and it's a rabbit.
Guinea pig.
It's a guinea pig. Okay, so nice, so nice. So say our hi to Jojo. Okay. Anyone else? Any more points you want to put forward? That's it. No more discussions, no more speeches. Okay. So let me then wind up today's session. So goals are really very important because goals are going to keep you fixed towards your day-to-day activities. Suppose if I don't have any goal, I will get up in the morning and I will think what to do. If I have goal, I know that I have to get up at so and so time, I have to study, I have to do this work so that I can move towards my goal. So all of us, we have to sit down and we have to note down all our goals, short term, long term, all of them, and keep a check on that. Whenever you are completing a goal, ticket mark. Okay, this is done. If you're adding one goal, add it. So keep your goal book with you. In that goal book, you may have daily goals, you may have weekly goals, you may have monthly and yearly and the long-term goals. All goals you have to write. So it's a very nice quotation that till the time you don't write your goal, they are your dream. Dream matlab hoga to bhi theek, nahi pura hoga to bhi theek. But the moment you write your dream and you put a timeline that I have to achieve this in 2 years, now it's your goal. Now you are chasing it. So if you really want to be active, you want to be a great student, you should have goals. Discuss your goals with your teachers, with your mom and dad, and keep on discussing on the timeline. Like suppose if someone is trying to learn how to speak English in the best possible way, put a timeline. I have to become a good speaker in 3 months, in 6 months, in 1 year. When you have a timeline with your goal, then you are going to chase that. Otherwise, you are at ease. Okay, no problem. It will come to me maybe in 6 months, maybe in 6 years, maybe in 60 years. Right? So keep discussing about your goals, keep writing them, keep chasing them. Till the time you have goals, you are active, you are agile. Prisha, you are agile and you are alive also, I'm saying. Otherwise, if you don't have any goals, you are like a boat without sail, without direction. You are just floating here and there. So I'm so glad that all of you have done a great research on goals. You have all have planned well, you have spoken well, and again we will meet next Sunday is 5th of December. So 5th of December will be our session number 10th. Again with one new topic, with one new discussion, we are going to meet. And as I told you, whenever you are preparing for this session, always keep in mind that the Prime Minister of India, the President of India, the Amitabh Bachchan, means all the top shots, MS Dhoni, they are going to be a part of this session and they are going to observe me. How am I speaking? How I have planned my speech? And with that power, with that interest, prepare yourself. You should think that this is the best speech of my life. If with that vision you are going to prepare, you are going to become automatically a superb speaker. So my best wishes with you, and you all are developing and you are growing day by day. You are becoming a great speaker day by day, and that is the aim of this platform. If you have the power of communication, if you have a great communication skill, note it down that no one can stop you. Little bit problem in knowledge you can manage, but if you don't have a strong communication, you will have problem. So knowledge can wait, communication cannot. So focus on communication, become a great communicator. My best wishes. Keep sending me your feedbacks, right? How to improve this session further. And we will meet on 5th of December at 1 p.m. Till then, bye-bye, take care and good day.
Sir,
Bye, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
You
Prisha.
forgot to tell the 8 sessions winner.
Oh, that is so. I will keep on forgetting. And you all have to remind me again.
Recording in
Yes, so
progress.
now it was okay.
Okay, so I thought of announcing the name in front of everyone. It should not be a secret announcement. So we have logged in again. The session is over, but I will just wait for 1 more minute and then I will announce the winner of session number 8. And let's see who is going to be that.
कौन कौन अच्छा बोला था?
कौन अच्छा बोला था? Nitya, mute yourself.
Sir, I can't be because I was having fever in that session.
Okay, so
Sorry, sir. I forgot that I am unmuted.
okay. Okay, I think all have come. So the winner of session number 8 is none other than Mr. N. Mr. N. And Mr. N is Mr. Nityam. So Nityam is the winner of session number 8. So congratulations, Nityam. And like this only, you have to keep on coming, keep on practicing and keep on improving yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so only for this announcement, we have logged in again. Now we'll meet on 5th of December. Thank you, Prisha, for reminding me. Keep reminding me like this only, always. I will keep on forgetting. Okay, bye-bye. Take care and good day. My best wishes to all of you. Bye-bye.
bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.